If your Samsung soundbar display has gone dark but the sound still works, don't worry, you are not the only one facing this issue. In today's video, I will walk you through step-by-step fixes based on real user experiences and proven solutions. So let's get started. Step 1 is soft reset. Unplug your soundbar from the power outlet, wait at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset often clears up minor system glitches. Now let's move to hard reset. If the display is still not working, perform a full reset. Turn off your soundbar, then press and hold the play pause button on the soundbar itself until you see in it OK on the display. Release the button. This will reset your soundbar to factory settings. Keep in mind this will erase all custom settings and paired Bluetooth devices. Now make sure your soundbar is positioned correctly. The Samsung logo should face forward and incorrect orientation can block the IR sensor, causing the display or remote to stop responding. So if you are using model like HWQ99OD or Q800D or S801D and your display stopped working after a firmware update, it might be a non-software issue. Samsung has acknowledged this and is offering free repairs for affected units. So contact the support for assistance. If none of these steps solve the issue, the problem might be hardware related. In that case, reach out to Samsung support or visit an authorized service center for a professional diagnosis. I hope this guide helped you fix your Samsung soundbar display issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the comment below if you need further help. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.